today. I hope you're having a great day. Have a really quick teach or tech for you today that you can use to try to start to sort through some of the available data that you have. It's a really easy way to make your small groups when you're trying to plan for small group instruction using filters in Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you kind of how I would use it in the classroom and how you can use it to make small groups with your students. So you can see I've got my Google Sheet up here, and I have several categories of data that I want to sort through to make some small groups. So the first thing that I'm going to do to put my filter on is I'm going to make sure that I am in my sheet, first of all, and I'm going to come up here to this little thing that looks like a triangle with a stem, and it says create a filter, and I'm going to click that, and it's going to automatically add filters to the top of each of my columns of data. So if I'm working with this, I may want to start with my A's. So I'm going to open my filter, and I'm going to uncheck my B, and then I'm going to click OK. And so that's going to limit me to just my A category here. And then I might say, well, I want my A's that have a value of less than 400 in this category here. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to clear all of mine, and then I'm going to go through and select my values that are less than 400. Let's see if I've got any more down here. Got a couple. Okay, so I'm going to select my values that are less than 400, and then I'm going to say I only want to work with my ones. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to get rid of my 2s and my 3s, and I'm going to click OK. And so now I have a group made for me, and I can go in, and I'm just going to put 1 in my group column over here. And I'm going to select all on all of my filters so that I can open everything back up. And now I can see very quickly who's in group 1 based on the criteria that I determined from my filters. If I want to filter back down just to group 1, then I come over here and I filter out to group 1. So I'm going to show you how to add the filter on Excel too, and you can go through the same process there. So I have my data here. Up at the top, you see on your ribbon it says data. You're going to click on data, and then right over here you're going to click on filter, and it adds a filter to each of these, and we could go through the exact same process. I could select my A's, and then I could go from there and filter down. So this is a really easy way with either Excel or Google Sheets that you can start to work with some of the data that you have to set up small groups for small group instruction. I hope that you can use this teach or tech tip. It's a very quick, very easy way to start to sort through some data, and I'll see you again soon. Have a good day.